why Apache Spark is so important for a data engineer, and why should you learn and get expert over the subject of Apache Spark. See, it is needless to say that data is very important. It is the new oil, or it is the currency, because it provides us the insights. Without data, we cannot generate analytics, and we won't be able to take decisions. We will not be having insights. We will be like blindfolded. Consider for an example for ourselves. We consider the ratings of a product, ratings of a movie whenever we have to purchase a product or watch a movie. Similarly, we have to rely, if we, or some of you might be trading stocks, and you rely on the technical indicators of the stock, like the RSIs, momentum, moving averages, to better make the decisions and reduce the risk and take a higher profit. So we also rely on data on a daily basis. And similarly for organizations and companies, the more and better they analyze data, they will be able to understand their products and consumers in a better way, and that will help them to grow their business, at the same time provide consumers with a better satisfaction. Now, with a rise in the volume of data, there is an increase to there is a bigger need to have stress on the cost effective way of distributed processing. The RDBMS and the enterprise softwares, they are so expensive that organizations want a cheaper alternative. At the same time, they don't want to compromise on the speed of getting data analytics. This is the reason why Spark is getting so famous, because it is an evolution on top of MapReduce. So the distributed resilient processing guarantees of MapReduce is there in Apache Spark as well. Those of you who don't know about MapReduce, don't worry. We will talk about MapReduce as a part of this course, so that you get an understanding of how the distributed computation and parallel processing looks like. Spark offers tremendous value to the analytics of an organization. This leads to in-memory and efficient as well as unified data processing. In the Spark application, you can perform SQL processing, graph processing, stream processing, as well as machine learning algorithms can also be implemented. So it is very important for a data engineer. Spark is slowly becoming one of the required skills, one of the mandatory technical expertise for a data engineer. In order to fully leverage and appreciate the beauty of Spark and understand all its libraries, the foundation or the base knowledge on Spark core, which involves RDDs, caching, broadcast variables, reduce, combine, these are very important. Also, how does Spark memory model looks like, how Spark manages the resources. These are important to know, so that we can understand other capabilities and libraries of Apache Spark. And this course aims at exactly doing this. It will make you an expert in the subject of Spark core. We have a total content of more than 10 hours, and we have plenty of use cases, hands-on demonstrations with all the code and slides, which give you a perfect blend of the theory as well as practice, so that whenever you learn more about Spark libraries or go and take some Spark project, you will be able to add immediate values and generate lots of impact. Coming to the career in the field of Apache Spark, there are lots of companies, lots of big companies like Amazon, Yahoo, Alibaba, eBay, Shopify, Hitachi, who are contributing and making use of a Spark a lot. Not only this, lots of big and mid-sized companies as well as small companies are slowly moving towards adopting Apache Spark. And hence there are diverse varieties, there are different varieties of roles available. Big data developer to Spark specialist, and then you can progress in the career to become lead software engineer or a principal software engineer. Not only for a data engineer, even if you are a DevOps person or an administration, or a data scientist, then the knowledge of a Spark is going to be an important addition to your arsenal. For IT project managers and product owners, as well as information security analysis, Spark makes the knowledge of a Spark enables them to understand things in a better way, and it enhances the prospect. In terms of salary, big data engineers are paid more than what the market average looks like. The exact salary depends on lots of things, like what are your primary and secondary skills, what is your expertise, which company you are going to work with, which market or country it is, how was your interview and negotiation. These things, all of these things lead to the actual salary range. But on an average, the Spark and big data engineers are paid somewhere between 20 to 50% more than what the market average looks like. So it is a booming field. There are lots of openings, there are lots of vacancies, and there is lots of opportunities for you to make an impact. I hope this course will enable you in your path to the career development. And do let me know if you want to talk to me on any of the specific subject area, or any specific questions if you have. You can connect with me on LinkedIn, and I will be happy to know more about you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this course helps you.